Hi, this is Michelle Labras, the Chief Cheetah of Cheetah Learning, and I probably don't need to introduce myself to our recent graduates from the Cheetah Exam Prep program, and thank you for watching this. If you haven't gone through Cheetah and you don't know me, well, welcome, and this is who I am. I'm Michelle. I created the 4-day approach to passing the PMP exam back in 2001, and I'm very excited to still be doing that at this stage of the game. One of the reasons I put this presentation together, this little video that we're going to be making available on YouTube as well, is to encourage our cheetahs who recently became PMPs by passing the PMP exam after only 4 days or maybe 4 weeks in our online program, to encourage them to make the most of their new credential. They're not only PMP certified, but you're also a certified accelerated learner. And we have been asking people, what are the main reasons why they go through Cheetah and why they've picked Cheetah? And we have five main reasons. One of them is to improve as a PM. The other reason is to learn how to learn faster. The next reason is make it easier to pass hard tests. And then the biggest ones we get are to get a bigger pay raise and to get better promotions. Now, I don't want to burst your bubble, but just becoming a PMP doesn't magically pave the way to the kingdom of glory for you. So you do have to put in a little more effort, and you do put in a little more effort by using the skills that you learned to pass the PMP Cheetah Fast. And so in this presentation, I would like to re-emphasize that and encourage you to keep going. You just did something amazing that very few people can do. You spent 4 days in an intense program or 4 weeks in an intense program. You stuck with it and you went in and you passed the PMP exam. You became a PMP, Project Management Professional Certified, and you also became a certified accelerated learner. So one of the purposes of this video is to encourage you to just keep going with your career. Right? Obviously, you're going to want to rest and celebrate, and I definitely encourage that. It's a big accomplishment. But, when you have a little bit of time to reflect on this, we're going to be posting this up on YouTube. You're putting it in your email that you got from us. But please, just go take a look at it and look at what some of your classmates are doing with their PMP. So we're going to go through that because we get a lot of feedback from people about their experiences in the program and what they're doing. And so I'm just going to go through some of them. So let's take a look at our first one. And that is a little quote on our Trustpilot by Anita. And she is excited to, she said the Cheetah Fast works, and she's thrilled to have successfully completed the PMI training with Cheetah Learning. The course was challenging, but I'm so proud of what I have accomplished. Throughout the course, I gained a deep understanding of project management principles and best practices, which will be extremely valuable in my current role and future career endeavors. The training also provided me with an opportunity to earn a certification from PMI, which I am excited to add to my resume. The team at Cheetah Learning was fantastic, and I felt supported throughout the entire training process. Their instructors were knowledgeable and engaging, and they provided excellent guidance and feedback. Thank you very much, Anita. Moving forward, I plan to apply what I've learned in the PMI training to my work and stay up to date with the latest industry developments. I'm eager to continue my education in project management and look forward to exploring additional training options with Cheetah Learning. Overall, completing the PMI training with Cheetah Learning Center was an incredibly rewarding experience, and I would highly recommend it to anyone looking to advance their project management skills and knowledge. And Anita, likewise, we are really looking forward to keeping up with you with what amazing things you're going to be doing in your career, and thank you so much for sharing your experiences on Trustpilot. Let's go to the next one, learning how to learn faster. And I tell a lot of the students in the class, this is why I'm still in the game. I'm passionate about accelerated learning and about how much it can help people in many, many aspects of their life. So let's see what this next person had to say. This is with Sarah Mitra. Sarah truthfully shared that there's a lot to cover in a short time, but Cheetah helps you to be successful. And she felt it started with an overwhelming amount of material, and the students should be aware of the prep course time required ahead of the class. Yes, thank you for telling people about that. We do tell people about that, but often they don't listen to us. But I trusted the process, and after 4 intense days, I passed the PMP exam on the 5th with above average scores. And in addition, the accelerated learning techniques were really helpful. You must use them throughout the class in order to pass the exam and I can apply them in the future. Well, yes, thank you, Sarah, and we look forward to hearing how you're applying them. And then she went on to tell us that her spouse went through the PMP certification process via a different prep program, and it took him a year. This Cheetah course is a nice way to get the PMP letters behind your name efficiently as well. And I think that Sarah is probably gloating at home, having got the PMP in only 4 days, and we congratulate her. One of the things we love to hear about what our students do is they teach these techniques to their kids. And we have an accelerated exam prep workbook that we put together years ago. If anybody would like it, please feel free to send us an email. I'll get you a PDF copy if you're going to be teaching to your friends or your kids. A lot of people will tutor other people. We're happy to share that with you. We're very passionate about learning how to learn fast, and we're happy to help our alumni out that way. I may even put it up on the Cheetah Learning Alumni Network on LinkedIn. So if you're an alumni of Cheetah, please go over to LinkedIn and join us, and you will find all types of really cool free stuff there that will help you with some of these things. So let's take a look at our next one, is make it easier to pass hard tests. So I love this one because once you get really good at passing tests no longer have the hold on you that they once did. And so this next student has this to say, Amanda, the course was engaging and right on point. It gave me the confidence to sit down on exam test day and pass the PMP exam on my first try. The tools, techniques, feedback, and processes that have been built into this course makes it one that will absolutely assist your exam taking, not only for the PMP, but for quite likely all future exams you sit down for. I absolutely 100% recommend this course. If you are dedicated to yourself and your success, the course is an investment in you. And I couldn't agree more with you, Amanda. And it is so much fun when tests go from being a nail-biting event to something that's inspiring and invigorating. And you can really go for it in your career when you are willing to go after more certifications and more complicated and challenging goals. So thank you very much, Amanda, for sharing your insights here with this. So the next one, and I'm sure that most people are really interested in the bigger pay raises. Like, how am I going to get a bigger pay raise after going through Cheetah? And what words of wisdom do you have for me to get that? And my words of wisdom is go for it. It's really, really awesome to see how fast Cheetahs move up in their career. They move up Cheetah fast. And here's one of our students. He's been with us for quite a while, Samuel Kelly. And he says he was fortunate to train with Cheetah for PMP Bootcamp in 2007 in beautiful Colorado. Investing in Cheetah Learning, not only do you receive world-class project and governance teaching, but you receive equally important life-enhancing and career essential mentoring and coaching. I have doubled my salary in the last 7 to 10 years thanks to my integration of Cheetah Learning's approach to training project practitioners across the globe. Thank you very much, Samuel. And we're here for you. So if you want to bounce something off of us, and you're going for a big promotion, big pay raise, and you want to get some ideas about how you can make sure you get it, please feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. We love these success stories as a part of our Cheetah students. And let's take a look at this last one, better promotions. That's one of the big reasons people go after the exam prep approach with Cheetahs. They want to get better promotions. And here we have a student. He was a PMP, and he took the Cheetah Leadership Program. And he started the Cheetah Leadership Program about 6 weeks ago. The course was truly great. It provided a unique way of attaining valuable knowledge and capabilities, skills that not only applied to leadership proficiencies in my professional life, but in my personal life as well. Abilities such as getting your mind focused and in peak condition, which we all know that very well going through the PMP with Cheetah, as well as identifying your own strengths to use in any project and negotiation were vital to learn and improve myself. Well, that's a big part of the Cheetah Leadership Program, where we teach you how to get better results faster and bring out the best of everyone in the process. And we do that with how to use your own strengths and how to leverage other people's strengths. Now, what's awesome about Anthony, and we highly recommend people do this during the class. Coincidentally, during this time in the course, I had set out to acquire a new director role within my organization. This was an amazing experience where I was able to immediately apply what I was learning in the course to acquiring this new role. I eventually achieved that goal and was promoted to a director level position that puts me in a more leadership role. Now, the Cheetah Leadership Program is a 12-week long program, and you become a certified virtual leader. And if you just went through the PMP program, you might want to wait a little bit on this unless you're really gung-ho. But we do have a 5-hour course called Get Promoted to the Right Opportunities, Get the Right Promotions, and it's only 5 hours. And we have a special rate for that on the Cheetah Alumni LinkedIn network. So we're very much into supporting you and getting better promotions as a PMP. Now, I have the last thing is, reach out to us, call us, email us. We're here for you. You're a Cheetah alumni. Please join the Cheetah Alumni LinkedIn group after you give yourself some time to celebrate. And let's help you improve as a PM. Let's help you learn. You learned how to learn faster. It's now easier for you to pass hard tests, and you can get bigger pay raises and better promotions. And we really want to help make that possible for you. So please feel free to call us or email us. We're here for you. We want to help you succeed in amazing, amazing ways in your career. Thanks, and I'm so happy that you had such great results on the PMP exam, and I'm really proud of you.